Hello Wonderland children, how are you all doing? Miss Bharti is doing really well. But you know what? I really miss you all a lot. And I just can't wait to hug you all when I meet you. But no. These days we're not hugging, we're only doing it flying kiss. Correct. And that we can do over the computer as well. So let's see what I've got for you today. But before that, you know what? I was going through the post on Educa, your pictures. Some of you have made lovely rainbow craft and hung it on your doors, on your windows, on your balconies, and they're looking so beautiful. So I started thinking like I always do. And then I thought, then why not we draw our own rainbow? And for this, the stuff we need is very simple. We need a kitchen paper towel like this. Okay? We need some sketch pens in the colors of the rainbow. And we need 2 bowls of water. And if you can see, I've got very little water in these bowls, just about 2 spoonfuls. So now, are you ready to start? Let's create magic. Alright. So, I've got this one kitchen paper towel. I actually don't need the whole thing, so I'm going to cut it into half. Mummy and Daddy, you can please help children do this. It will be better if they tear it away in half, if they can. That will be very good exercise for them. I'm going to keep this away. I don't need this. And then let's fold this one in another half. So it's going to look like this. A small pretty rectangle. Now comes my favorite part because I love to color. I'm going to start coloring this paper with rainbow colors. The first color in the rainbow is very nice, violet. That's what it is. So I've done with violet. Now let's do blue. So we're going to make small rectangles like this. See, I'm making small windows of colors. And we're going to put it in the sequence of the rainbow. That's correct. Then comes green. Some of you must be thinking, where did indigo go? I did not have indigo, because all the market is sealed. I could not get a indigo colored sketch pen. So I thought, let it be. And then comes orange. I'm already liking this a lot, but there is a super fun thing coming up for all of you. And I'm sure you all are going to love to do it. Yeah. But this is one end. Now we need to color the other end as well. And now comes, we're going to color it in the same sequence here. So on the top we've got purple here. So we're going to color it in purple on the top here, right? So this is another logical skill for you. Patterning, sequencing, just develops your cognition. Yes. Then we've got blue. And after that here I've got green. So here comes green. Very nice. And then comes yellow. I always used to think when I was a kid that amongst all these dark colors, yellow is the lightest. How will it survive? But see, it shines out so beautifully. It mixes into other colors and turns them into other colors. You've done this color mixing exercise also in school, I remember. And this is the last one, which is red. Yes. So now you know your rainbow colors. Perfect. Now let's keep this colors back. Thank you so much, colors. And now we have got the bowls of water. And now let's hold this tissue in the shape of a rainbow and just touch it in water. Do not immerse it fully, just a slight touch, and we can see that it's already growing. So you can put your little index finger here and see that it's growing. Should I turn it around and show you? I think I should. I think it's better visible like this. I'm going to count till 5 and see how it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I was trying how to do this one and I did one beforehand. You want to see how it looks once it's done? This is how it looks. See? It's looking so beautiful. And if I open it, I don't know if I'll be able to open it. I might not try as well. But it's kind of stuck to each other. See? You can dry them off and this can be your nice artwork. You can actually make lots of things out of it. I think I'm going to make another one. How to use this colored kitchen paper towels. Yeah? See, we're about to do this one also. This one's also about to be done. Yeah. So this is how we grow a rainbow. Thank you so much. Love you all and keep washing your hands. Bye-bye.